In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a course on Squarespace using their series of tools. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better grasp of creating and managing your own online course through your Squarespace website. So, let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. This is essential because without logging in, you won't be able to make any changes or updates to your website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as we'll be navigating through a few different sections. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of websites associated with your account. Select the website you want to work on by simply clicking it. This action may seem small, but ensuring you're working on the correct site is crucial for staying organized. With your site selected, look to the left-hand side for the Pages option and give that a click. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see a plus icon in the main navigation area. Clicking this icon will present you with a variety of page options. Choose the Blog option. Blogs in Squarespace aren't just for writing posts. They can function as course modules or units too. After selecting Blog, you'll need to enter a page title. This title should reflect the content or purpose of your blog, especially if it will serve as part of your course. Think of it as the name of a chapter or module. Once that's in place, it's time to add a new post. You'll notice a plus icon next to blog content. Click it. This is where the magic happens. Create a compelling title for your post. Titles are important, so choose something descriptive that will grab attention and convey the essence of this particular lesson or component. Now it's time to enter your content. Use the automated text block feature for consistency and structure within your post. Feel free to enrich your content with images, links, and audio. These elements can make your course more engaging and informative. When you're satisfied with your post, head back to your Pages area. Locate the three dots next to your post, click them, and then select Settings. Here, under Options, you can edit your tags. Tags help with organization and content discoverability. You might also wish to enable the comment settings, allowing students to engage directly with your material. Another option under the settings is the featured images within the content section, perfect for making your posts visually appealing. If you're planning to monetize your course, click the Pricing Plan button. Here, you can design where and how your paywall will appear to visitors. You have the flexibility to apply it just to blog posts or across both blog overviews and the individual posts themselves. And there you have it. By following along, you should now be able to confidently build, enhance, and monetize your course on Squarespace, all while maintaining an engaging learning environment. Happy creating!